Man, them chemtrail people been busy. Trying to black out the balloon. Hold on. The hell's all that noise? Shit, a lot of crows over there. A lot of crows. Hold on, Bubba. One dog at a time. One beast at a time, big boy. You next. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. Better be no poo-poo in there. They have never pooped in there, but they have peed. Come here. Come here. Here. Come here, OG. Here we go. Come on. That boy just jumping. Go. Hold on, Clyde. Hold on, Juju. Hold on. No. Good boy. Come on. This way. Good boy, OG. You're such a good dog. See, we ain't worried about them dang dog. We ain't worried about them chicken heads. We trying to get the poo-poo and eat on, man. We ain't worried about no chicken head around here. Pee-pee poo-poo, pee-pee poo-poo, drop some doo-doo. Never walk directly to the prey, or your dog will think it's a pack hunt. They will think that y'all are going to go on a hunting representation. That y'all are going together as a leader and his pack to go hunt. That's what dogs think when you walk directly to the prey. Yes, you're a happy dog. Poo-poo pee-pee. Poo-poo pee-pee, poo-poo pee-pee, poo-poo pee-pee. You're such a happy boy. Pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee, poo-poo. Pee-pee, oh pee-pee. Hold on, Clyde. Pee-pee, oh pee-pee, poo-poo. Just some doo-doo. Hold on, Clyde. You're next. Poo-poo. Oh, gee. Don't you got a shit? Don't you got a poop, big dog? Come on, man. You got that doozy wooshy. You look like you ain't gotta go poop. Come on. Look over here. Nice, guys. Go on, pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee, poo-poo. Pee-pee, oh, pee-pee, poo-poo. Drop some doo-doo. Pee-pee, 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 poo-poo. Drop some doo-doo. Okay, come on. Time to go up. Act crazy. Come here. Alright. Crazy guy. Every day, man, we on this grind. Now it's time to let Cloudy out. Hold on, guys. Hey! Where my Cloudy? Where my Cloudy? I know y'all ain't laying no eggs over there in the dang woods. They mad because I keep taking their eggs. They'll jump back.